Welcome back to the Electrician's Channel. I want to continue our discussion or the video on electrical safety. This is part two of electrical safety. Today I want to talk about lockout tagout. And I want to have a few things displayed that I have and that I use when in the field. This is my lockout tagout system right here. And my hard hat, my gloves when I'm in the panel. And I want to tell you what each one of them is for. I know a lot of you guys know already, but for those who don't know, maybe I can say something of some interest to you and maybe helpful. Okay. This is for my lock when I'm inside of a panel right here. It's like this. Hasp. And I lock the door when I get through. When I'm doing electrical work and I want to disconnect the circuit. Well, I disconnect the circuit and I put this on the door, and this goes this, and I will lock it as such. And it'll keep the door locked. And oftentimes I'll write my name on here with a dry erase marker so let people know who it is me if they were to see it on there. And I'll use this whenever I'm inside of a panel, and then even when I'm in on one in the building, and I'll still use it anyway because man, things happen, and I don't want those things happening to me, the wrong things. Okay. Also, these right here are lockouts for circuit breakers when you're inside of the panel. And if you have to leave the panel open, unlocked, so to say, because there's more than one circuit breaker in there, but you have to leave, you just have to isolate one breaker. That's where these come in handy at right here. And it just so happens to have a breaker right here and show you how it works. Okay, and these are made by Master. I think it's Master Lock. So what you do is, this is an adjustment screw right here. You want to, we know this clamps on to the sidebar, and this pushes on to the bus bar right here, way in the middle. So what you want to do is, this is the on position. This is the off position right here. So when it's an off position like that, you want to put it on there as such. You want to, put it on like this as such, with the hole for the lock going toward the middle of the two panels. Put it on as such, and you tighten the screw up a little bit so it'll fit against the breaker handle snug. You close it, and when you close it, the other side is putting pressure on the breaker handle against the one that you just tightened up. You bring it closed as such like that. You put it in here. You lock it. Take that key out, and you can't move the breaker whatsoever. You can't move it. Now, I suggest you can use this on here or this. It doesn't matter. But if you use this, just identify who it is that locked this out. So if they need to get in here or do something, they'll come find you and open it. But I suggest that you be the only one keep a key. I don't care if they had two. At least while you're working. Now, if you're not working, you give it to give the key, one of the keys, to a responsible party, and tell them that you got it locked out and what have you. But while you're working on it, you keep the key. Plays in the back of my mind always is that your life is on the line, sir, and that'll be mine. So, and this is the same thing right here, but this is just a larger one of these right here, a lockout for the circuit breaker. And it goes the same way. Goes like that. You adjust the screw. Close it up on there. Wait, hold on. Sorry. Just like that, and close it on there. As such. I didn't close it on there all the way. I have to tighten it up. There we go. And you put it on and you lock it the same way. Now, this, on the other hand, when you're working indoors, You may be working in the break room, changing out a ballast or something like that, or you may be working somewhere where they use the switch as a disconnect. Well, this is what you want to put. I put this. This comes off, and this is made by Ideal. Ideal makes this. This comes off. You unscrew this here and screw it on the front of the panel. The face plate. Close it up. You want it in an off position or what have you. And while you're working on it, changing that light, so nobody would walk in there and see one of the lights off and don't see you and turn the switch on and shock you. Put that in there like that. And that's it. And that's it. And then you don't have to worry about them trying to, because they can't do it. Now they also works another way as well. If you want to keep it in an on position, you don't want nobody to turn it off for some reason, well, you leave it on. And it's still in an on position. They can't turn it on. Now, I'm trying to, I don't know if this would fit in there, and I think it would. Yeah, there you go. You could do that. So they'll know who did it, who put the lockout on here. And for whatever reason, they need to just switch on or off. They'll come find you and, get you to take this thing off, whatever. And now, here is my FR rated gloves right here. I use these a lot when I'm inside of a panel. When I'm inside of a panel, I don't want to accidentally touch that bus bar or touch a piece of metal, live circuit or something in there when I'm working inside of a panel or what have you. So I put these on. I don't like working with gloves on, but I do it already. I do it all the time because I told you I want to be safe. I don't want to lose any limbs. I don't want to go home with any burns. I don't want to be electrocuted. I want to put as much safety between me and that live circuit as possible. I've never known electricity to lose a fight. And I don't want to go not one round with it. Okay. This is my hard hat when I'm on the job site. Well, I have a soft head. I don't need nothing falling from above. Guys are always dropping pliers and screws and hammers and lineman pliers from up high. I know, I'm not saying you won't get hit, but if you get hit in your head, you got some protection. You're going to feel something, but it's going to help you. So I wear as much protection as I possibly can. This is my hard hat right here that I wear. I like my little stickers here. Skilled labor isn't cheap. Cheap labor isn't skilled. So when I do go out in the field to go do a service call or what have you, I give my price, and my price is non-negotiable. I give it either, and the lady asked me once, she said, yes, are you an electrician? I said, yes, I am. But I had to tell her I'm not everybody's electrician. And she said, why? Because everybody can't afford me. And she looked at me like, oh, okay. And that's the truth. I didn't go to school for the amount of time that I did and learn what I've learned to give my services away for free. Have I done things for free? Yes. But do I do it all the time? No. I have to put food on my table also, but that's a whole nother story. Trained, OSHA, certified. Every sticker on here, I do I've had training in it. I'm a licensed electrician, and I've got training for certified from OSHA, safety, healthcare safety, and so on and so forth. But anyway, I'm very big on safety. Anyway, that's the end of my video, and I want to thank you guys for stopping by again to see part 2 of the electrical safety. If you like it, subscribe that you will receive future notifications of any future videos that I do. Hit the like button if you like the video. Leave a comment. I'll be glad to answer. And I want to thank you guys. But the main thing, fellas, y'all be safe. And until next time, peace out.